Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make chicken broth for dogs. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need about 2 to 3 pounds of chicken bones, like backs or necks, which are great for flavor and nutrients. Also, add 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar. This helps draw out beneficial minerals from the bones. Make sure you have a large pot, at least a 6-quart capacity, ready for the cooking process. Next, place your chicken bones and apple cider vinegar into the large pot. Cover everything with filtered water, ensuring the bones are submerged by at least 2 to 3 inches. Bring the pot to a gentle boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a low simmer. Let it cook for 12 to 24 hours, occasionally skimming off any foam that rises to the surface. This long simmer extracts maximum nutrients. Once your broth has simmered sufficiently, it's time to strain it. Carefully pour the entire contents of the pot through a fine mesh sieve into a clean bowl or container. Make sure to discard all the bones and any other solids, as cooked bones can splinter and be dangerous for dogs. Let the broth cool completely to room temperature before moving it to the refrigerator. After cooling, your homemade chicken broth is ready for storage. You can keep it in the refrigerator for up to 5 days, or freeze it in smaller portions for up to 3 months. Before serving, always remove any solidified fat layer from the top, as too much fat isn't ideal for dogs. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Serve the broth plain or over your dog's food for a nutritious boost.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.